If you've ever wanted to capture the perfect moment from a video inside CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take video screenshots in CapCut quickly and easily so you can save a still frame from your project without needing any extra software. This is super useful if you want to grab thumbnails, preview images, reference shots, or just a clean snapshot from your edit. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video is loaded on the timeline. Then, move your playhead to the exact moment in the video where you want to take the screenshot. This part matters because the frame you see in the preview window is the frame that will be exported. So take a second to pause the video on the exact shot you want to capture. Once you've found the right frame, look at the preview window. In the preview area, you'll see a free horizontal lines menu, also called the Hamburger menu. Click on that menu to open the available options. CapCut keeps a lot of useful tools tucked away in this menu, and the one we need is the option for exporting a still image. From the menu, select Export Still Frame. This is the key step. When you choose this option, CapCut will save the exact frame currently shown in the preview window as an image. In other words, you are basically taking a screenshot of the video frame directly from CapCut, which gives you a clean and accurate image without having to use your device's built-in screenshot tool. After selecting Export Still Frame, CapCut may ask you where you want to save the file. Choose your preferred folder or location, give the image a name if needed, and then confirm the export. CapCut will then create the still frame image for you. Once it's saved, you can open it immediately and use it for thumbnails, social posts, tutorials, reference material, or anywhere else you need a high-quality frame from your video. If the still frame doesn't look quite right, just go back to the timeline, move the playhead a little forward or backward, and try again. That's the advantage of using Export Still Frame inside CapCut. You can be very precise and capture the exact moment you want, instead of relying on a blurry or cropped screenshot from your screen. And that's all there is to it. To quickly take a video screenshot in CapCut, pause on the frame you want, click the three horizontal lines in the preview window, and select Export Still Frame. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to grab clean images straight from your edit. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.